Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a stunning photo collage in Canva in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to showcase memories, create a gift, or design eye-catching social media posts, this guide will make it super simple, even if you've never used Canva before. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautiful collage ready to share or print. Let's dive in. Choose a template first. Head over to Canva's homepage and type collage into the search bar. Canva offers a variety of pre-designed templates, from clean grids to creative artistic layouts. Take a moment to browse and find one that matches your vision. Once you see a design you like, click on it to start customizing. Picking the right template is key because it sets the foundation for your entire collage. Customize your template. Now that your template is open in the editor, it's time to make it your own. Click Customize this template and start adjusting colors, fonts, and text. You can reposition elements or add new shapes and stickers to match your theme or mood. This step is where your collage really starts to reflect your personal style, so don't rush. Have fun experimenting. Add photos. Next, it's time to add your photos. On the left panel, click Uploads and import the images you want to include from your device. Then, simply drag and drop your photos into the placeholders in your template. You can resize, rotate, or reposition each image using Canva's intuitive handles. Keep adjusting until your photos look perfectly balanced and vibrant. Finalize and download once you're happy with your design. It's time to finalize your collage. Click Download at the top right and choose your preferred format and resolution. Canva makes it easy to select a file suitable for online sharing or printing, so your collage looks amazing no matter how you share it. And there you have it, a beautiful, personalized photo collage created in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future design tips. Share your creations in the comments. I'd love to see what you make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.